All right, just go slow, don't run. You got to get him. Don't let him go. Come on, walk him down here to the corner. All right, now don't let him. Go in there slow. Now get him. Here, don't let him go out. Got to get him in the corner and stop him. Walk up slow, get him in the very corner. There you go. Now get him. There you go. Don't let him go. Bring him over here. Don't let him down.
Maybe I can hand him up to you.
Hold on, let me get him by the legs. There you go. Oh.
Don't grab him by the leg.
There you go.
How do you get him in the pan?
Good chicken wrangling there, boy.